Hi, everybody. Thanks for joining me for tip number 3 today. For those of you who are wanting some support to create the life you love in 2022 and beyond, this is a critical tip, actually, and it's a tip that I wasn't even planning on sharing today. It's a little bit out of sequence, but my intuition was saying now is the time. So I did a pivot. Today's critical tip, if you want to create a life you love, is this: champion the truth. The truth will set you free. Champion the truth will set you free. To champion means to fight for. To champion means to advocate for. And I say dig for the truth, mine for the truth of your story, the truth of your skills and talents, the truth of your relationships, your style, your beliefs around, finances and your spiritual beliefs and so much more. Champion the truth, it will set you free. Now, I want to tell you the big full statement that I say often is this: champion the truth and challenge the self-limiting beliefs and the lies that others have put on you. So champion the truth and challenge the self-limiting beliefs that you have and the lies that others have put on you. Why? Because it is the truth that will set you free. That's why. Not always easy, definitely not a sexy process, and definitely can be painful, but it'll set you free, because we have often this cloud that lives over us that keeps us in the darkness and self-limiting beliefs and in shame and in guilt and I'm not good enough and I'm not worthy and so many other things. If, for instance, we didn't get the job, or if something didn't turn out the way we expected, if we don't champion the truth, we create our own story and we believe that story. We know that we operate out of our belief system, so we walk out that story for however many years or decades or whatnot until you actually champion the truth and unpack it, distill it down, and then go, okay, this is the truth and this sets me free. I want to share with you a quick story, and this is a relational story. And by the way, relationship always drives your professional success. So if you see me continuing to go back there, it's because it's true. The more optimized you are with your own relationship with yourself, mind, body, soul, the more you're going to be able to optimize your performance, your success, your capacity at work. So that's why we always go there. Okay, so about a week and a half ago, a friend of mine sent me a meme. I shared it on LinkedIn and Facebook. I will share the link so you can read it in full. But I'm sharing this example today because it seems to continue to be resonating with folks. And it has to do with championing the truth. The author, so the big idea is extreme independence is a trauma response. Extreme independence is a trauma response. And the author, Jamila White, said this. She wrote this in part: extreme independence is a preemptive strike against heartbreak. So you don't trust anyone, and you don't trust yourself either to choose people. To trust is to hope. To trust is to be vulnerable. Never again, you vow. But no matter how you dress it up, I'm familiar, and display it proudly around to make this seem like this level of independence is what you always wanted to be, in truth, it's your wounded, scarred, broken heart behind a protective brick wall. Impenetrable, nothing gets in. No hurt gets in, but no love gets in either. Fortresses and armor are for those in battle or who believe the battle is coming. It's a trauma response. The good news is trauma that is acknowledged is trauma that can be healed. And that in and of itself is the truth. The good news is the truth. And the truth sets you free. Ooh, I have chills truly just to be sharing that line. I've had a lot of trauma in my life. Trauma can look like a variety of things. It can look like, it can look like loss of a loved one. It could look like, in my situation, I'll just speak to this really quick, abandonment or rejection. It could look like injustices that have been done, against you. Many of us, for many reasons, in terms of research, in terms of statistics, we have experienced trauma, and trauma can happen. The pandemic caused trauma, right? Emotional trauma. So there's trauma that can be experienced on many levels, but the truth is that when you acknowledge it and you deal with it, the truth can set you free. So I just wanted to share this with you because so often what we do, and including myself, because this so resonated with me, because I used to say out loud, I have a fortress that is so high and so thick and the walls are so deep and I'm going to keep you out here. And my armor was my wardrobe and my appearance. I was going to use that to keep you at bay until back in the 90s, I started doing my work. I remember vividly my picture of the fortress and armor back at about 1998-ish or 9. I just want to encourage you, champion the truth. The truth sets you free. Champion the truth sets you free. And what I know to be true is you are worthy. No matter what has happened to you, no matter what you have experienced, you are worthy. You deserve to be loved. You deserve to be seen. You deserve to be heard. You are worthy, and you're worthy of the fight. Champion the truth. Challenge the self-limiting beliefs and the lies that have been put on you. The truth will set you free. Now listen, if creating a life you love and taking down the mask and being candid about the things that are, keeping you back, and the desire to gain new skills and talents, or new skills and develop new tools and get resources to help you on this journey is something that you're interested in, I want to invite you to look into what we've got going starting on January 12th for women only. I have a 6-week group coaching program. All the details are in the link below, so I won't bore you with that. We have 7 guest experts, and myself will be talking about really how to set you up for success to optimize your best self. And we'll also be looking at the reality of obstacles that get in the way. So we're taking an integrated mind, body, holistic, and soul holistic approach to helping you be your best authentic self in 2022 and beyond. My name is Kim Peterson. I am the brand style and confidence coach for the whole you, mind, body, and soul, and of course style, championing your confident breakthroughs on the inside and out. Make it a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow for tip number 4. Bye for now.